Now it's time for us to practice some more with some word problem using multiplication. So I have 4 problems here. Pause the video here and copy the questions down in your book first, work it out, and then respond in a sentence. Go ahead, pause the video and get that completed. If you're finished, then you can continue to play the video and you will now see the answers to the questions. Okay, so let me go down. Okay, so here are the answers. You're going to times 9 times 6 and you're going to get 54 apples. You want to respond in a sentence. So 54 apples are in 6 boxes. For number 2, Nicole has 2 boxes of tickets and each box holds 2 tickets. How much does she have? How many tickets does Nicole have? You're going to say 2 boxes times 2 tickets equals 4 tickets. So Nicole has 4 tickets. Same here. 4 times 6 equals 24 tickets. In total, there are 24 tickets. And there are 9 erasers in each box. How many erasers are in 9 boxes? You're going to say 9 times 9. So erasers times boxes. 9 times 9 equals 81 erasers. There are 81 erasers in 9 boxes. So go ahead and check it if you got it right. And if you didn't, then just fix it, pause the video, and fix it.